Hi, welcome to this episode of Another Piece of Scrap. Now you may remember in a previous episode, Chris and I did a temporary repair on the exhaust because it was leaking and it was really quiet. We were very, very disappointed in how it sounded.
Sounds
boring.
Yeah, it sounds boring. It sounds really quiet.
It's actually got worse because now the baffles have come loose and it rattles. So what you're about to see is a temporary fix to a temporary fix in which we endeavour to make the whole thing sound a lot more like a V8 and not a Prius.
Fairly quiet. Okay, the plan is very, very simple. I've removed the silencer because it tinkles and rattles, and inside one of the baffles has come loose. My plan is to use the new shiny flexi and then to sleeve it into or over the outlet from the cat. So what we have now is this flexi pipe, and the plan is, don't forget it's a temporary fix. The problem we've got, the only size available is exactly the same size as the outlet, and no amount of hope, positive thoughts and enthusiasm is going to make that fit on its own. So I bought another gadget. So this, everybody, is what I've bought to allow the flexi pipe to fit onto the back of the cat. It's a box within a box. So let's see what we have. This is my new tool. Can you guess? Well, I can't say that anymore. It's not funny anymore, that, is it?
What's that?
Can you guess what it is yet?
No.
You can't say that.
What is that?
I'll edit that bit out.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we have a pipe expander. There is a plan for this, and this is the piece we're going to need. That bit will make everything good.
Is that big enough?
Of course it is, Christopher. It will be fine. Worry ye not. The plan is that will go into here, do up, stretch this out slightly, and then it will sleeve perfectly onto the back of the cat. So what we do, we insert this and we do it up so far, and then we put this on, and the idea is I've already found a problem with the master plan. As this is a flexi pipe and not a conventional pipe, you can't clamp it any sense. So where this is now trying to expand,
We could clamp it, but it's just going to crush it a little bit. Are you that fussed about that? Because as long as it opens that end.
yeah, but we're also corkscrewing it the wrong way. So we're actually trying to make it shrink on itself and expand it all at the same time. So what we've effectively done here is achieve very little. I can't get out. How can I still do it?
You broke it.
I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm looking around. I'm looking around looking
for inspiration.
I'm looking for hope and inspiration. That's not going to do it. This hasn't gone at all well. Oh, I may have really just royally messed this up.
There you go.
Right, okay, we're good. There's at least now 25 people on YouTube saying, you idiot.
Probably.
Might be more,
Might be more.
but I suspect 25 is a reasonable average.
But we want these 25 to tell their friends we're idiots.
To share the idiocy.
Yes.
Now, in all seriousness, that does now rather put us back to square one. I was expecting this now to be A, done, and B,
Fitted.
fitted within like minutes of doing it.
Yeah, maybe I should have turned up.
I genuinely was expecting
Yeah, that's
windy, 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 expandy, expandy, expandy,
like a
under the van, sleeve it on, happy days, and then like 5 horseshoe clamps later, we're done. Let's try it. Let's go underneath and try it. Guess what?
It don't fit.
No. Ready?
Yeah.
I watched it on YouTube when it worked a treat.
On solid tube.
Yes. In a vice.
Yeah.
Or with like a 3-foot breaker bar in there. It worked really well. What would be nice would be a ramp. I'll never have a ramp. My future is crawling about on the floor. Yeah, my future, mate, is spent crawling about on the floor underneath whatever harebrained project we've just bought. Ow. It's like a well-oiled machine, Chris. I can smell burning. I think it's my hair on the lamp. I don't want to over-tighten this because it could be catastrophic. The game we've got to play is the bracket is going to be about here. So it's going to have to go about here. What I suggest we do is cut it off at a point where it will be good enough if we just end up with a pipe on its own.
Yeah.
We may have to get another bracket.
Yeah, because that's go there, isn't it? And then you've got enough scope then to push it back for the. Yeah, you don't want it dropping down much more than that, but it's still above the axle. Yeah, I reckon. Yeah, cut it to where you think you're going to need it poking out.
The stupid safety guard is in the way.
Stupid.
Safety first. Are you ready? You can't see, man. I've got 2 slits in the damn thing.
Where's that?
Oh, because I couldn't see.
Where's that?
Because I'm looking through safety glasses at a black thing in the shadow. Good work.
That's better. Yeah, perfect. There.
I don't think we can sell this as how to fit an exhaust video. This is going to be, well, this is more of a, this is how we fitted the exhaust in a bit of a rush.
Yeah.
So our temporary fix to our temporary fix is now done. And to be fair, it's pretty good. For the most part, it looks good and it sounds fantastic.
So there we go, we've actually achieved something on the van. It worked. It took us a couple of goes this time, but it no longer sounds like a Prius. It now sounds like a V8, a Burbally V8. We are really pleased, believe it or not. You could probably tell actually. So this is our temporary fix to temporary fix. Look out for another video at some point where we actually replace the exhaust we just put on with yet another exhaust, which is actually made of stainless steel. But for now, we hope you liked that. Please like and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you ever so much. We do appreciate it. Check out our future videos and check out the videos we've got linked at the end of this episode. See you next time.